Guys, I want to take you with me for a walking tour in Kraków, Poland. We're gonna start with the Wawel Hill and Wawel Royal Castle. This place is considered to be a symbol of Poland, the most important, iconic, and beloved by the Polish nation. From the 11th century, Polish monarchs were settled here, in the royal castle, on the top of the Wawel Hill. They were crowned and buried here, in the Wawel Cathedral. I need to mention the king, Zygmunt I the Old, who hired the best Polish and foreign artists to create the breathtaking Renaissance Pałac Castle in the first half of 16th century. The northeast part of the castle was burned during the big fire in 1595. The king Zygmunt III Waza rebuilt it. In 1609, he moved the capital of Poland to Warsaw, which caused the castle a pretty hard time. Definitely the Swedish invasion of 1655 to 1667 and 1702 didn't make it easier. In 1794, the hill was occupied by the Prussian army. After the third partition of Poland in 1795, Wawel was a very important defense point. Because of that, it got strongly demolished. In 1905, Franz Joseph I of Austria ordered Austrian troops to leave the castle, and it started being restored after these hard centuries. And that was financed by the subscriptions of Polish people. After the First World War, Wawel became a representative building of the Polish state, used by the governor and later by the president. After the Second World War, Wawel Castle became a national museum. This is the symbol of Cracow, the dragon. The old tale says that there was a prince called Krak, who killed the dragon, who was eating all the food of local people and kidnapping the virgins. This monument has been in this spot since 1972, and it blows the fire, I think every 15 minutes. Three, 2, 1.
I was just telling her, that would be nice.
Now we are in the Old Jewish Quarter-Kazimierz. First Jews arrived here in the middle 14th century. This district was completely autonomous, governed by the internal Jewish authorities. The social and economic activity of Jews in Kazimierz started in 1860 after they were granted the equal civil rights. Before the Second World War, there were about 64,000 of Jewish people in Kraków. Kazimierz was the center of the religious life for them. There were 6 orthodox synagogues: Old Synagogue, High, Isaac, Remu, Kupa and Popper, and 1 progressive synagogue, Tempel. You could also find here a lot of private schools. Nowadays, Kazimierz is a center of cultural, artistic, bohemian life. This place is full of nice little cafes, great restaurants, art studios, and galleries. If you ever come to Kraków, you have to visit this neighborhood. If you would like some recommendations about food, I will leave you the link to my previous vlog, in which I'm taking you to my favorite restaurants. Link will be in the description box down below. They serve gefilte fish. In Israel, people say that only people with Polish origins are able to enjoy it. Next stop, Krakow's Cloth Hall, which we call Hall-Sukiennice, one of the oldest shopping malls in Europe. There are proofs that this building has existed since the middle 13th century. It's listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1978. In the beginning, it was a center of international trade. The 15th century was the best period of Sukiennice. People could purchase here exotic goods imported from the east: silk, spices, leather or wax. Also, the local products were sold here. For example, textiles, lead or salt from Wieliczka salt mine. Today, as you can see, you will buy here all kinds of beautiful things like traditional Polish folk clothes, leather goods, jewelry, homeware and decorations. On the upper floor of Sukiennice there is the Sukiennice Museum. It holds the largest exhibition of the 19th century Polish paintings and sculptures. Let's take a look at Mariacki's church and the main square for the last time. It looks lovely when it's dark, doesn't it? If you would like to know a bit more about its history, I will leave you the link to my previous vlog in which I talk about it. You will find it again in the description box down below. Look at the ceiling decorations, amazing! This shop has always been here. I remember when I was coming here as a small kid and I really wanted one of these teddy bears. That was my last vlog from Krakow for now. I will probably visit Poland in the summertime and I will definitely show you more interesting places over here. What's gonna happen next? Israel! So stay tuned! If you like this video, please give me some thumbs up, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more. You can also visit me on my social media, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!